What up, y'all? Y'all already know what time it is, man. It's your boy. Hey, listen though. I just seen the FedEx guy with my package, y'all. I gotta go ahead and go get it, bro. I'm about to show you what's up. I'm about to show you what's going on. Oh, there you go. There you go. He's coming. Look at this FedEx. Oh, and Amazon. Look at these. How do you get both? How do you get both at the same time? Stop playing. Oh my God, I've been waiting for this. Nah, but on some other note, what up, y'all? I just wanted to finish it on your package for me. You'll be trying to have that feeling that you just got it like that. You want to show it off. I came like a few minutes late after that FedEx guy, but you know what time it is, man. We got right here. Look what we got. Show you what's going on. Man, listen, it's over. The over fenders is here. I got the hardware right there on that side. So look at the shoes. What are those? Anyways, but y'all already know, man. We're gonna wipe out of this thing over fenders. And I seen the girl over there back there looking crazy all over the place, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's up in a minute. Let me open that box up and I'm gonna show. All right, let's go, y'all. Come on, let's go, y'all. Yo, listen. Ooh. And she got her whole look. Just how she's looking right now. Very dusty. Now, I do got her on the wood though, because I gotta do fix something in my front wheel. So it is what it is though. But y'all ready for this? I know y'all ain't ready. That's what's $500 again. Chew. Y'all ready for this? I know y'all ain't ready. Ta-dang, 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 ta-dang. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh, I wish I had some tape. I wish I had some tape, y'all. Ooh. You guys show it from right here. Look at this. Look at it from the back. Look at the booty though. Oh my God. Ooh, I wish I could just put it there. Man. Ooh, man. Oh, look at that gap. Need about like 18 by 10.
Excuse them dirty ass wheels.
Don't be a hater. This is nothing but this. See, done, clean. But man, all right, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and mount this on. All right, y'all. So this is what we got so far. This part right here, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I gotta bring it out just a little bit so I can do the bottom part. So is this part right here. I have to just bend it back out. The rest, I believe it should still be good. So another thing is this right here. I gotta pull it out a little bit enough so you know. But yeah. Let's get to it. Let me go ahead and bend this. I'll see you in a second. Well, there it is. That's the number 2, bro. I only got one more left. And nothing just pop off. Keep the crap out of my leg, but hey, so far we got this. We good or not? This side should be good enough. So I just have to go ahead and do the other side. And then, yeah, technically just move on and put them jokers on. Actually, I gotta get some sealing, seal it up, paint it, you know, so it won't get rusted or anything like that. But so far we're good, man. I hate the crap out of my leg right here, but it's so good though, cause we working. It's a little cold outside, not that bad, but it's on point though. Weather is perfect. Gotta go ahead and finish that so I can figure out what am I gonna do right here. right here for sure, because I don't know what's gonna be going on there. But yeah. All right, y'all, let me figure this out. Let me cut the other side. I'm gonna see you in a little bit. There it is, y'all. Finally cut the other side. I still gotta do, let me show y'all. I still gotta cut this up and, you know, put it in, but so far, this is all cut up. Kind of went overboard just a little bit right here, but hey, I ain't tripping. I ain't worried about all of that, because at the end of the day, most of the stuff is gonna be cover up, but yeah, let me go ahead and finish this, and I'm gonna show you how it looks at the end and everything. All right, yeah, about to put the second one. Got that cut up and everything, and yeah, technically this side is done. I still gotta go get this welded, get that piece welded. That way I can put the other stuff in there. But yo, I'm telling you, she's looking insane, man. All right, y'all. The reevers are on, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, start putting this up. I already made the holes all around. Two of this hole do not match on the other side, but it is what it is. You can see all of my reevers are on. See how this is right here, and the other one is up here, and the other one is down. But that's because since the car was hit on the other side, you know, this is already done. You know. See right here, I have to put one right here and another one right here in order to, you know, get it to attach or whatever until I figure this out. And I would just add another one and so on. You know, I'll do the same on the other side. But pretty much though, that's how it's gonna go. 4 at the top. I didn't want to use that many rebit, but I mean, as long as he hold on pretty good, I really don't care how much it is. You know what I'm saying? This is pretty neat. This one's nice as hell. I still gotta go and, you know, weld it and everything else and, you know, cover up. But it's getting late, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and leave it like that for now. So stay tuned till it's done, y'all. Let me, so I can do the other one. See y'all in a minute. Yo, what up, y'all? It's been like what, 2 days. I had to wait for this. I bought it on Amazon because let me see if I can show y'all one of these jokers. So see, this stands comes out, the rear nuts, they are all coming out on some parts, like, you know. And what I was trying to do is just getting a rear nut, you know, because, you know, it's supposed to span. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about in a minute. So let me put this in here. Oop, throw in the camera. All right, so see, y'all see the rim nut, right? Let me go ahead and set y'all up so y'all can see what's going on. All right, y'all, so this joker right here was $14, bro, on Amazon. $14. So the purpose of this, you know, so y'all see the rim nut right here. You know, y'all see it right here. Let me show y'all. I want to focus. Okay, there you go. So, you know, this joker goes right here. This one, thread on this one is fucked up, so excuse my language. But all right, so look, so y'all see this right here, you see the little teeth right here. Hold on, okay, it won't focus. So the little, this supposed to span, like not span, but like kind of like shrink, that way it will, once it goes in the hole that I made for the rim nuts, you know, it kind of like, you know, hold it in pretty tight. But since I didn't have that. And I couldn't do it any other way. So what I did was, at first, I just went ahead and just put this on the floor and kind of just hammer it. Let me see if I find one and see how it looks. So, okay. I have this big one right here that I'm not going to use. So this was like that. And I put it on the floor. Let me show y'all. I'll put it on the floor and smash it. And let me show you. Let me go ahead and smash it once so I can see it. And you kind of can see how it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like how it spans. Like it kind of, you know, bubbled up. You know, that will hold it in place in the chassis. So, in the quarter panels. But I couldn't do that because someone was still kind of loose. So what I did when I just went and ordered this. So we're gonna go ahead and do it with this, which is the right tool. Oh, it's a hand tool. I could have made it myself, but no bread. You know what I'm saying? I do got the bread, but I didn't feel like going to the store and do all of that. It was too much work. So, yeah. I just went and bought it from Amazon. Waited a day, actually 2 days. It was supposed to come the day before yesterday, I think so. Or yesterday, I think it was yesterday. But it came today, I guess, so I don't even remember. But let me go ahead and show y'all what we're using for the oven fenders, you know. Let me go ahead and show y'all and flip this camera. Alright, so we're using this key that I bought on Amazon as well. It's technically, you know, you got the outside piece of it, you got the balls there, N5 all around, and then yeah, you got the rim notch itself. So, which I have enough for the other side, because like I was saying, I've been kind of messing with them, and yeah, so you can see right here, I was trying to do the same tool with this, but that didn't work out. So we're gonna go ahead and try to do it with this. I gotta go ahead and take these off again so I can make sure the rim knot stay in place. So let me go ahead and take this out, and I'm gonna show you in a minute what I'm doing. All right, y'all. Hey, bad news. $14 wakes. I was eating some dumplings. Goddamn. Oh. All right, so well, I guess we're gonna have to go ahead and go to Lowe's, which is the closest thing to me right now. Ooh, excuse me. Go grab us one. That headline's so dusty. Look at this. Everything else look good, but the headline. Disgusting. All right, y'all. We made it at Lowe's. Let's see if they got what we need, because we need it ASAP. Hey, look at that though. Nice BRZ. I think that's 2016 or so. So up in there. Got this doing. Alright, y'all. I went and got this thing, but 30 minutes later, couldn't find nothing. So I got this. I don't think this is gonna work, but those do work fit in there. But I don't think it's gonna work since it's screwdrivers. You know, eventually this is gonna just go bad or whatever as soon as I try to tie them. Now, but I definitely got this ones, the rubber ones, because I know they actually work a lot better, and then, you know, they really more smoother, honestly, to put it on, because once you turn it up, it compresses itself, you know. So yeah, believe it or not, I'm gonna use this on the ones that I'm having issues with, which is like, you know, the ones in the corner, they got a lot of pressure and all that. So I'm gonna use those there. Because on the real, I'm tired of it. I'm really sick of this shit. See, like this. See that? It's not it. So we're gonna go ahead and do what we gotta do, y'all. Oh well. I'll put this up, and then let me see if I can go ahead and change that, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, y'all. So this is finally done. Like I said, I ended up getting the rubber rib nut and getting some different bolts because you already know your boy ordered a tool. That tool broke in one try. And up here, I still gotta get one of them rubber ones. Up here, it has the rubber one, but yeah, you know, this is all messed up right here. Over here, I couldn't even put a rim nut. I gotta wait until I get the rubber ones because I'm gonna do rubber all around because the ones I buy are really shitty. So I have to go ahead and get that. But she's finally done, y'all. That is done. I still got it in the wood. I would like to show you, you know, how it's gonna look once it's, you know, off the wood or whatever. But I can because I have to work on his brakes right now because it's gonna be yanking. Every time you brake, it janks. So I'm pretty sure my brake press is completely done. That's gonna be on another video. I'm actually painting this over as well too. You know, putting different colors on the rotors. Oh, it's not a rotor caliper. So y'all better stay tuned. Y'all better stay tuned for that one because this is gonna be a banger, bro. I'm telling you, I gotta clean the wheels. Got the other one sitting back there. Just got the Audi windshield done, as you can see. I was working on buttoning some of the stuff up, but the windshield is done. We can actually see through. Stop playing with us. But excuse me, I don't look all over the place, but it is what it is, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, this iPhone 13 Pro Max, bro, this camera is A1. I record on my phone and I can only say this is fire. Gotta take this to the shop so I can get that situated, you know, get the piece welded or whatever, and then, you know, do some body work, and that should be it. Gotta get intake manifold for the Audi.